So the character I play is Sanjeev Mehra. Sanjeev Mehra belongs to the old school of journalism of the 1990s, where courage, integrity, honesty, and dignity were the foundations of their character. They dealt with pressure in a very different manner. There was grace more than being loud. Sanjeev was a poster boy in his days. He was a hero in the field of journalism. The series begins with his first appearance as a man who is about to lose his job because of low TRPs. A low phase of his career as well. Only when the assassination attempt on him fails does he take this opportunity to bring his career back on track and rise in power ultimately. He does this at the cost of his integrity and loyalty. Professionally, he rises but falls miserably in his personal life, finding himself all alone in life. I've never performed a character like this earlier, which is why this conscious choice of a certain way to perform him. To prepare, I read and researched the great journalists of our country of the 1990s, trying to understand their philosophy and mindsets. I viewed a lot of their documented footage as well. One had to understand journalism at large as an actor. Then there was a quick visit to a news channel in Delhi to understand the process of how a piece of news travels and what occupies the mind of a journalist when at work. With this skeletal structure, I proceeded to build the character with my craft and techniques. I remember defining specific psychological spaces that Sanjeev slips into from scene to scene. This was logically worked out from a detailed reading of the script. It helped me in understanding the state of being of the character at various moments and therefore understand the corresponding emotion and response to that specific scene. These preparations are complex, but that's how I function as an actor. The fact that my character was once a hero, a beacon of journalistic courage, who degenerates himself into rabble rousing, as that's the journalism that sells. His character is nuanced and gives me a scope to interpret him in a very complex way. So that's what I really liked when I first read the script. And further on, I realized that the plot is an attempted assassination of a popular television journalist where four suspects are nabbed. During their investigation by a police officer, shocking discoveries are made, which lead him to the netherworld. This is the plot, but the series explores a much larger context, that of class divides in our country. The upper class, the middle class, and the lower class. Their interactions lead to the truths and discoveries of an India that we know little of. This is the larger message. It is also a story of human triumph. The protagonist, Hathiram Chaudhary, is an ordinary cop trying to achieve an extraordinary feat. He does not achieve anything much at the end, yet travels that entire journey of investigation with courage and hope at the risk of his life, his marriage, and his family. That's. I mean, in a crux, this is what I liked when I first read the script. So, Sudeep Sharma is one of the most talented and important writers of the Indian film industry. His body of work is of a very reputable quality. He was always on set every single day of the shoot. And before my shots, I would often approach him and my director, Prosit Roy, for clarifications about the character and the complexities of the scene I was about to perform. Sudeep would be brief and to the point. Coming to Jaideep Ahlawat, well, Jaideep has proved his mettle as an actor earlier and hits the roof with Patal Lok. He is a trained actor and my scenes with him were a pleasure to perform. His performance skills are nuanced and enriching. One of the most prepared actors I have seen on set. And Abhishek Banerjee and I unfortunately never had scenes together, except one, I think, where we look at each other during an interrogation. But even in such a brief moment, one could see his preparations behind his work. I really, really wish we had more scenes together. Ishwak Singh and I, again, did not meet too much during the filming, but but what I saw actually when I saw all the episodes of Patal Lok, I really find him a very, very promising talent. Someone who will go far as an actor if he keeps working on his craft, Bo. No, never. None of the co-stars, never. Oh, well, I don't recall now. I guess my director or producer would have a better idea about this. Well, very fond memories actually. The best actor at the Sakhalin International Film Festival in 2014 was my first ever international award, competing with international film actors. It was for my first film, Ship of Theseus. This was the film that got me to where I am today. And so this award stays very, very special to me. The other one, the NBC Newsmakers Achievers Award for Best Actor, was an honor to receive, as this was given to me for my silent and steady contribution to Indian theatre and cinema. I didn't realize that all the work I have done so far was being recognized for a contribution or as a contribution. Well, I founded the Prabha Theatre Laboratory for Performance Training and Research in 2003. So, theatre is the foundation for an actor. This is where you learn about training and craft, script analysis, voice, creating scenes, space and breath, rhythm, character graph, linear thinking, and lots more. Most importantly, the rigor of rehearsals, which teaches you how to go deeper into your script and the character and discover complexities. It instills discipline and stamina as well. Cinema does not give you that kind of time nor space. Although, on the other hand, cinema brings you many things that you don't necessarily find in theatre. I have 2 feature films lined up for shoot in some time. They are Indian feature films. There is also a Hollywood web series which is being produced by a very big production house with an ensemble cast of actors. And we've already actually begun shoot for this, but there's been a pause because of the current situation all over the globe. In addition, there is also a feature film releasing on Netflix, which is called Freedom, directed by Dibakar Banerjee. And my next challenge is to be a part of global cinema as an actor, to be part of films that have global relevance, films that are powerful enough to affect the audience's perspectives towards humanity at large, and so yeah. These are the kind of films that I really want to be a part of, and create myself as a wonderful actor to be able to do this kind of work. Yeah, okay. Thank you so much, Jean-Paul. Really appreciate your interview, and all good wishes to you. Thank you.